First is this Christmas-themed journal kit. I bought it from Shopee PH, but you can also find similar set on Temu, Shein, and other online stores. Inside the box, you'll get one A6 journal. It has grid pages perfect for neat journaling, and a journal cover with gold foiling. 2 envelopes, $20 decorative tags, great for gift wrapping this holiday season. I love the glitter details of the tags. 2 washi tapes, three metal bookmarks, $60 sheets of notepads, $20 sheets per design, so you can also share them with your friends. $10 journal papers with perforation. You can tear them into 30 pieces. Sheet washi stickers, sticker flakes, 20 pieces, PET stickers total. Stamp stickers, 10 pieces. $20 sheets material papers, perfect for holiday journal spreads. At the back of the packaging, you'll see everything included. Overall, the designs are more realistic and vintage. If you like kawaii journaling, this may not be your style, but the quality is good and very complete. I'll rate it 9 out of 10.